Man is done. Hi lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Albai. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You're a real one. And if you're a new one, don't forget to subscribe and join our family. Okay, so today I want to talk about basically like the last 10 days and things like that, and like my game plan. So with at this point, whether you're a born Muslim or a revert, you've kind of heard of the last 10 nights. But if you haven't, I will go ahead and say a little bit of what I know. Disclaimer, I'm not a sheikh, an ustad, nothing, none of that, okay? I'm just an everyday person. So this is from what I know. If I make a mistake, may Allah forgive me, and please correct me down below in the comment section nicely. Thank you. So with that being said, the last 10 nights of Ramadan are basically the most beneficial, the most important nights of the year. Basically, these 10 nights are the most important nights. Within those 10 nights, there is a day called Laylat Ul-Qadr. This day is not known, but it's like the night is worth more than 1,000 months worth of days. Okay, it's like when you do a deed in this day, is worth thousands and thousands and thousands more. So basically, it's, as Muslims, we should try our best to go ahead and do as many deeds for this last 10 days, because it's within that 10 days. So as many good deeds as you can, like give sadaqah every day, even if it's $1, just give sadaqah every day. Go ahead and do some type of charity every day. Go ahead and pray, like especially at night. Pray. Or if you catch Laylat Al-Qadr, you can literally change your destiny. Ask Allah for anything you ever wanted, the forgiveness you've been wanting to, like anything, okay? Anything that is of halal, Allah will grant you. So we want to take advantage of that and things like that. So how do we prepare for this last 10 nights? How to prepare for this night? Basically, number one, you want to go ahead and renew your intentions. It's been 20 days so far. We might, like, at this point you're tired, like you're starting to like go down, the iman is done, like that Ramadan, the strength that you had at the beginning is starting to deplete, it's starting to go down. So at this point you want to go ahead and renew your intentions. Sit and think again, why am I fasting? And of course we're fasting on this month of Ramadan, like to go ahead and attain taqwa, to attain like the relationship with Allah and things like that. So go ahead and like kind of renew your intention of why you're fasting. And then I personally want to go ahead and like, I'm looking at my goals, like, okay, what did I plan for this Ramadan? Is it going according to plan? If it's not, let me change you guys, I think. Okay, let's try it here. Let me just keep it here. Look at the goals that you initially had. Are they going according to plan? If not, reduce a little bit. You want to focus on something that you can keep consistently for this next 10 days, okay? Because obviously Allah loves those deeds that are consistent. So go ahead and pick something that you can do every day, that you can focus on. The month of Ramadan is the month of Quran. Do not leave your Quran. Read, recite the Quran every single day, every single night. Especially in these nights, like the reward of reading the Quran already is immense. It's a lot, because you're getting reward for every word you're saying. So imagine now you're getting a reward for like thousands more on top of that. So, and then prayer, of course. To attain taqwa, to attain relationship with Allah, you need to be able to pray and talk to Him and hear and say His words in this prayer and things like that. So prayer like brings our relationship with our bond with Allah even closer. So we want to go ahead and get really serious with prayer. This is the big one for me personally, the Quran and the prayers. I really want to like fully focus on it, especially in these last 10 days. So go ahead and look at your goals, look at your intentions, renew your intentions and things like that. So that way you're fully prepared and are ready for these last 10 days. And then you're able to catch Laylat Al-Qadr. On these 10 days, every day make it Laylat Al-Qadr. Like pray as if every day is Laylat Al-Qadr. Make those du'as as if today is Laylat Al-Qadr. Read your Quran as if today is Laylat Al-Qadr. And pray as if it's today. Like Laylatul Qadr is today. Okay, so that way, whatever day it is, you are not lacking that day, guys. It's just 10 days. Yes, you're not gonna sleep. You're losing sleep. It's okay. It's okay. You can sleep on Eid. We all sleep. You know that Eid nap? You can make it up on that day. But anyway, that's all I wanted to talk about on this video. To talk about how you can truly prepare for Laylatul Qadr. And there's nothing more like that will prepare you more than just renewing your intention and just leaving it all to Allah and giving it to Allah and just doing it for the sake of Allah. May Allah make us the people that will be able to witness the Laylatul Qadr. May Allah give us, may Allah answer our du'as. May Allah accept our fast. And I hope everybody's Ramadan is going well and we're able to finish strong. Stay strong, guys. Fighting. You got this. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Much love. Bye, guys.